guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys, I do not take you guys for granted. Thank you so much, especially those of you that have been leaving comments and constantly active on my page. I really appreciate you guys, and I see you and I do not take you for granted. Thank you again and again and again. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go straight into today's video. So today's video is a review. I know that I told you guys I was going to make a review like really fast, but unfortunately life has been happening. Today I'm back, and I'm back to reviewing. If you haven't seen the Ordinary Peeling Solution review, click the card up here to go watch it. It's really detailed and I absolutely love the product. I haven't used it for a while. I do plan on making a video, an update video, telling you guys how it did on my skin and what's not. Basically like a 1 month review, just as I discussed in my previous video. So today I'm going to be reviewing its sister, and it's the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc serum, I would say. Okay, it's not serum, but it's like a formula. So yeah, so I'll be reviewing this, and I'm so excited to review this because I actually love this product. Like from the very first day I tried it on my skin, I was like, yes, I found my baby. I found my baby, because this is the real deal. So if you want to see what I have to say about it, and perhaps see pictures, before and after pictures, and really understand what niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc does to your skin, the benefits and what's not, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before you continue, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun content that will be churning out to you in weeks to come. So stick around. Welcome. So today I'm going to be talking about the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and just basically run you guys through the benefits, what it's about, what it does to your skin, what skin types are allowed to use it, and basically all that juicy information. And I really have a lot to say about this because, guys, from the very first day I got this stuff, I legit, it's not one of those products where you have to try 2 or 3 times to actually find out if you like it or not. From the very first trial, you're going to love this product. And let's just talk about it. So let's start off with what vitamin B3 is. I'm just kind of like building the tempo for this video. So vitamin B3 is also known as niacin, and it can be found in nuts, fish and chicken. And what it basically does is that it helps to aid or helps lower your high cholesterol. It also boosts brain function, also help boost your memory. So in its raw form, it's called niacinamide, and what this does to your skin or to your body is that it helps to prevent water loss and also aid smoothness and all that juiciness of your skin. When it comes to skin aging, it also helps with providing a smooth surface for aging skin, and that is why a lot of people use this as part of their makeup routine. I haven't personally I haven't used this yet as a primer, but I'm thinking maybe I should. I actually saw a video on Instagram where somebody used it. At that point I didn't know you could use it as a primer, and I was like, is this not a serum? And it dries, like it really dries. So how? Then I thought about it and I was like, ooh, you're onto something, girl, you're onto something. So yeah, you can definitely try it out as a primer. I haven't tried it, but I'll be happy to try. Maybe I'll incorporate it in today's video and tell you guys, maybe if you watch that video, you'll be able to see how well it does. So this bad boy here contains 2 active ingredients, niacinamide, which is also called B3, because vitamin B3 in its raw form is called niacinamide, and this helps to reduce skin blemishes and also skin congestion. It basically, when you apply it, you literally can feel your skin breathing. The second active ingredient is zinc of Pyrrolidone and carboxylic acid, so which helps to balance visible production of, basically it helps to prevent excessive production of sebum. Sebum is your oil, the oil on your face. As I told you guys, the very first trial of this product, I absolutely loved it. I was like, I've been sleeping on this. I've been sleeping on this. Now, it's suitable for oily skin, combination skin, dry skin. It's suitable for everybody. Even if you have a sensitive skin, this bad boy here is really good because vitamin B3, that's niacinamide, also helps to really calm your skin and makes it breathe better. So if you have sensitive skin or non-sensitive skin, you can definitely try these lovely products out. So let's talk about the benefits. So one, it helps to reduce congestion on the skin, helps to reduce blemishes, and also reduce production of sebum on your skin. And I can tell you for a fact that it does all this, and it ticks all three benefits. Just to let you guys know, that it's absolutely safe. It is gluten free, it is sulfate free, paraben free, everything free. It's absolutely really good. I've used this for about a week, I would say, and I absolutely love it. Now that all the introduction is off the way, let's talk about how to use it. So I'm going to read what's on the direction here and then tell you guys how I've been using it so far. So direction says apply to entire face morning and evening before heavier creams. If irritation occurs, which I doubt, cease use and consult a physician. Use only as directed on broken skin. Patch testing prior to use is advised. Refer to our website for an in-depth guide to patch testing. Keep out of the reach of children, and that's basically that. So it says that you should apply it morning and night. I have just been applying it once daily, occasionally whenever I remember to, but so far it has been working good for me. I'm going to try applying it every day, morning and night, and see if there's like a better result, because I've used it for only a week and you guys can see how beautiful my skin looks. The day before yesterday when I filmed, my skin was flawless, even though it had like spots here and there, but it was really nice. I'm going to try to insert a clip somewhere here, or just put it all over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now let's talk about the usage and show you guys how I have been using it. So basically, just like the peeling solution, it comes in their regular bottle. This is the 30 milliliter. I think it also comes in 60 ml, so if you want like a bigger size, you can definitely go for that. I think that costs about $7.59, but I bought this for $5.90 and it's absolutely good. However, I do want to mention that they mixed up my order. They sent me a peeling solution instead of this, and I was so mad because I was like, now I have to return this. But luckily they gave me the peeling solution for free and then sent my right order to me. So I definitely will be purchasing this, maybe the bigger size too of it, because this stuff is lovely. So yeah, just like the peeling solution and just like the various the ordinary products you would have seen, this is how it usually comes. This is how it usually comes in a bottle, like so. It comes like this, and yeah, and of course it has their usual pump, and the liquid is off-white, so it's like it's not clear, but it has like a very white tint to it. I know in the camera it looks like super clear, but it's not clear. And it's not liquidy like the peeling solution. It has like some form of thickness to it, which I'll be showing you guys soon. So I've been watching a bunch of videos where they said, oh, you're not supposed to use the dropper directly on your skin because of germs and what's not. But I'm like, if you're the one that is going to be using it, you're not going to be applying, sharing with anybody. So I don't see where the problem is. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It's not runny. It's not too runny. Actually, it's runny, but it's not like water. Can you see? Yeah, it's really lovely. And one thing I really love about this product is that after applying it, you immediately see you get like this really nice glow. I remember the first day I used it, I got a compliment and I was like, oh, your face is glowing. Like, I think I'm pregnant now, but I'm not. Okay, so yeah, it's really good and I highly recommend it. So I just pulled my hair back so I can show you guys how I have been using it. Let me come closer so you guys can see how my face is right now, and so you can tell what the difference is once that I have applied it. So this is what my face looks like right now. I'm just going to apply the product and show you guys how I look after it. So I've cleaned my face. You want to make sure that your face is absolutely clean. So I did wash my face before filming because I knew I was going to film. So Yeah, I usually just do like 2 drops actually, and just put like maybe some on my nose. And you can see, let me come closer. You can see it's slightly runny, but nothing too serious. Make sure it doesn't get into your eyes, because you mostly can almost do it just right now. So, can you see the difference? My face already has like a glow already, and this side doesn't. So can you see the difference? This side looks dry, but this side looks, it has like a really nice glow. Can you see the highlights here and here? This one doesn't have any highlights except for the light, because I just like poured some here. So one thing here, when you're working with this, you want to work really fast. Even though it's liquid, if it dries like a silicone like primer. Like it has, like once it dries, you can like see. I don't know if it was I don't know what happened that day, but I mean it was just once I noticed it, and I always apply it. Like once I drop it on my skin, I go ahead and quickly like spread it all over my face before that happens. So yeah. Glow. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to mention something, which is you shouldn't use a vitamin C when using this, because it's going to reduce the effectiveness of this, and maybe for some other reasons, but just make sure not to use vitamin C when you're using this. And if you've used this, you can also apply like a moisturizer on top of it. So don't apply a moisturizer on your skin and then apply this on top. So you either use this only, or this with like a heavier cream, but this with don't use this with the vitamin C. So yeah, so use vitamin C a separate day, and then use this a separate day, so they don't like cause an explosion on your face. And yeah, so far I've been really loving it. I'm just going to come closer so you can see what the difference is. Like right now you can see that my face has like this really pretty glow, and it feels like, you know, your face feels like dry. You know when you use like a mattifying primer, which is no surprise why people use this as a primer, because it helps to prevent sebum, it helps to prevent oil, it moisturizes your skin. See, you've been sleeping on this, so like I have been sleeping on this. I'm definitely going to try this out today as part of my makeup routine and see how it works, and maybe come back later and do a video showing you guys how I used it as a primer. So yeah, maybe I'll do that like right away. Okay, so that's basically that with this. I think I pretty much covered everything. If there's anything or any questions you have as regards this product, how effective it has been, definitely let me know down below, and I'll be happy to answer your question. I do have a review on the peeling solution, so if you haven't seen that yet, click the card up here, go watch it, and leave a comment, like and share if you want, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But just before I go, I want to tell you guys, like, if you haven't bought this, you're sleeping on it. Go and buy it, because it's not really expensive, like $5, approximately $6. If you're going to buy, please take my word for it. Like, take my word for it, buy the bigger size, because this product is really lovely. Like, you're gonna love it. You're gonna thank me later as usual. I should create a series called Thank Me Later series, where I'll be talking about products that you're going to use and thank me later for using it, because I legit just sold you on something really nice. So let me know. That's an interesting series. I think I'll try when I'm done with all these many series that I'm currently doing. I do have a couple of series on being an entrepreneur, starting a business, a series on growing on YouTube and what's not. So if those are playlists that you're interested in, or videos you're interested in, check my description box for playlists to these videos and watch them if you want to. I'm going to leave a link to this to purchase this on. I purchased this from their site, and I would say it took about 5 days, approximately 5 days. Maybe it came in before that, but like 5 days. And I mean, it was really fast with all the, you know, pandemic and all the things happening currently, which is really sad. They were able to ship this, so it's really good. The only thing I would say though is their emails. When you send them emails, it's really fast, but if you send them like DMs, you're not gonna get a response. Like I sent a message like last 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. I just got a response today. Like, it's crazy. So but just purchase it. Make sure you're putting your right address, because I had issues with that, but they were very fast to rectify that via email, via that form they have on their website. So just letting you guys know. I think that's basically that. Make sure you get a big size of this, because this stuff is beautiful. I'm going to be trying it out with the foundation. Maybe if I'll do that and film it and show you guys. So if you want to watch that video, if I haven't uploaded it by the time you're watching this, I'll also leave the link in the description box. But if I have edited and uploaded it before this, then click the card up here to go watch it and see for yourself how well it does. I'm going to be doing it as a demo, so I'll allow it to, you know, stay for the rest of the day and then see. Because if this stuff is a good primer, like, saves me a lot of money, because I have like 2-3 primers. I mean, they're good, but that's a lot of money. But this, with $6, you're getting a very powerful primer. That's a steal. I think I've said enough, and I don't want to make this video too long. As I said, leave me comment down below if there are any questions you want to have or anything. I'll be happy to respond to them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.